Welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid channel. Myself Harsha teacher. Today we are going to learn tens and ones. What is this tens and ones? When there is one number, we say only ones. Yes, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 we have to say ones. And when we count 1, 0, 10, we make a bundle of 10. It comes in tens. Okay, so first we will see a short video of tens and ones, and later on we will see the practical.
Tens and ones. One ten is equal to a group of 10 ones. Two tens are equal to 20. Three tens are equal to 30. Four tens are equal to 40. Five tens are equal to 50.
So just now we saw a short video of tens and ones. In that tens and ones, what we have seen, that we saw one stick was there, and in that 10 beads was there. Yes, like this different sticks was there. Yes, one stick, 10 beads means 1 tens. Yes, two stick, 20 beads means 2 tens. Yes, so that all we will see in practical way. See now, in my hand wire is there. In that wire we will count how many beads are there. Yes, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Means this is tens. 1 tens. How many tens? 1 tens. Because in this 10 beads are there. Means 1 tens. Yes, like this. Now another is there. In this also I am having 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this 10. So this is the another one group of tens. So this tens and this tens means 2 bundle. Yes, 2 bundle. So this 2 bundle means 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Yes, 1 tens means 10. 2 tens means 20. Yes. Now see, when we write number 1, 2, 3. Yes, there is a bundle of this 10. See, there is a bundle of this 10. Yes, but we have to count 11. So how we will count? See, here this is the bundle of 10 and here the 1 is there. That we have to say ones. Yes, 10 plus 1 ones. Yes, 11. 10 plus 2s, 12. 10 plus 3s, 13. 10 plus 4, 14s. Yes, now once again I will show you. See that properly. Okay, I will keep here 1, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6, 7s, 8, 9s. Yes, now see, in my hand there is a bundle of 10 beads. Yes, and here I have different 9 beads. But we can't say this as a bundle because we have to count. When there is a single, we have to count ones. We must not count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have to count ones. If there is 2, 2s. If there is 3, 3s. Now 4s. Now 5s, 6, 7s, 8 and this 9s. So now I want to count 1 to 12. So how I will count? This bundle of 10 and this 2 beads means 2s, 1 to 12. Yes, now see, 10, this one bundle, that is of 10. 10s, 3 ones means 1, 3, 13. 10s, 4 ones, 1, 4, 14. Yes, now this Like this we have to see. Okay, now I will show you by making sticks bundle. Okay, so now I will show you how to make a bundle. Yeah, we saw before with this beads already, it was in this, but now I will show you how to make a bundle. Okay, I am having sticks in my hand. Yes, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this 10. See, this 10 I have collected in my hand. Yes, and I will put rubber band to it. So what to happen now? This is the bundle of 10. One next again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and now 10. This is the another bundle of 10. So here what we have to say, that this is tens, means one bundle. In this one bundle we have counted and kept 10 sticks. The another is also 10, means 10 plus 10 20. Yes, now if we have to say 11, so with this bundle 10, this is ones, so we have to say 1 1 11 tens, and now I am having here 2 sticks, that is 2 ones, so here 12. Now 3 ones, so here 1 3 13. In this way we have to learn today in our book. Everybody open your maths book, page number 8686. Sorry, 8181. So have you opened page number 8181? Yes, very good. So here today we are going to learn tens and ones. What we are going to learn? Tens and ones. Just now we saw that tens and ones in practical way. Okay, now we will complete that in book. So see, now I will show you once again here. TENS tens, AND and ONES ones. See now, here already they have given here balls. Yes, and here the stick is there and balls are there. Yes, so see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 10 beads. If we put in this, then see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 110 it happens. What happens? 110. Yes, 110 210, like this. Now see here also same thing is there. 210 they have told. Yes, what we have to say? 2 tens. Yes, in one bundle there is a 10 beads. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what we told here? 110. Yes, 110. Yes, and when 10 once comes in 1, it's become 110. Yes, so ये 1 once 10 ones क्यों बोला है? तो जब हम लोग काउंट करते हैं ये 1 2, तो ये सब 1 1 होते हैं. We have to count that in 10 and then it will become 110. Yes, ये 1 2 3 है, वो हम लोगों को 1 2 3 काउंट नहीं करना है. 1 ones 2 ones 3 ones 4 ones 5 ones 6 ones 7 ones 8 ones 9 ones and this last 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. Okay, like this. Here 2 bundles are there, so 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40 and 5 tens means 50. अगर हम लोग ऐसे और एक करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं 2 tens. Yes, just now I shown you that. See, this is 1 10, this is 2 tens. Yes, so it become 20. Like this, if we will put once again third one, it will become 3 tens. Okay. If we will put here one more like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will become 40 tens. So open next page, that is 8 to 82. We will solve the problems. See here, now see what they have told us. Make groups of tens and circle. Write how many tens and ones and how many in all. So here, for example, they have shown us. See first one. That is, see here they already have told us here. What they have done, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the bundle of 10. Means 110. Okay. This is the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the another bundle. Yes. 2 bundles means 2 tens. Yes. We have to see that. This one 10 and this one here they have done 2 bundle. So we have written here 2. And now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. That will come in 4. 4 ones. Okay. Total 2, 4, 24. Yes. Here whenever there is a bundle of like this, 1 bundle, 2 bundle. But in these bundles 10 are there. So here we have written 2 bundles. Like this same we have to do here. So to get easy, we will put like this dot and we will make the bundle of 10 first. See now, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to make like this bundle of 10. Yes. Now another one. See here the bundle of 10 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once again here. Yes. 1. See here I have explained you that all the oranges are 10 here. But here we have written the number of group. First group and this is the second, means here 2 groups are there. Yes. 1 and 1, 2. So here 2 tens are there. And now 1, 2. Only 2 cups are there. So we will write here 2 ones. So total 2 plus 2. Yes. Here we have to write this 2 tens and 2. Means total here 22 cup and saucers are there. Got it? Got it everybody? Yes. Now next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a bundle of 10 here. And write here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The another bundle of 10. Yes. So here how many bundles are there? 1, 1, 1, 2. So here 2 tens. Yes. But ones are there or what? No. So we have to write 0. So here 2 and 0. So total how many watermelons are there? 2, 0, 20. Yes. I will wait for a minute just to do that. Now next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So bundle of 10. 1, 2. Here write 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See 1. So how many here bundles are there? 1, 2 and 3. So here we will write 3 tens. Yes. And now how many ones are there? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will write 5. So total how many are there? See, this 3 we have to write here and this 5 we have to write here. 3, 5, 35. So next now here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? So here we will write 1. Now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see now this only one bundle is there. So we will write here 1 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we will write 7 ones. So 1, 7, 17. So 17 carrots are here. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a bundle of 10. 1. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a bundle of another one. Yes, and now here only 1 is there. So what we have to do? How many bundles are there? 1, 1 means here 2. 1 plus 1, 2. And here only 1 is there. Here 1. So here we will write 2, 1, 21. So next now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a bundle of 10. Here 1. So we will write here bundle only 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9. So total 1, 9, 19. Got it everybody? In this way we have to make a bundle of 10 and remaining whatever are there we have to count and that we have to write in ones place. So where the bundles are there, how many bundles we have made, we have to count and that we have to write in the place of tens. 2 bundles means it comes in tens and only ones where are there means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this 1, 2, 3, 4 means where there is a no bundle that we have to count and that number we have to write in ones and then later on the first number of tens and the second number of ones we have to both write here and we have to see that total number whatever we have counted here and the number which come here that is same or what. Okay. So I will wait for a minute, just you do that. So open the next page. See here now. COUNT count, tens and ONES ones and write the correct numbers in the box. So here they have given here 5 boxes. In that 5 boxes different numbers and balls are there. So we have to count that first. For the example they have shown us that we will see. See here the 2 sticks are there. Yes, in these sticks 10 here and 10 here balls are there. See if you want you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here 10 balls means 1 bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The another one is there. So how many is here? Tens? Yes, this one and this one total 2 sticks are there. So they have written here 2 tens. And see here now only 1, 2, 3 balls are there. Here we will count 1, 2, 3. No. 1s, 2s, 3s. So 3 ones. Yes. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So 3 ones. 2, 3, 23. So here also we will count. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In this way 10 and the another also 10. So how many bundles are there? 2 bundles. 1 bundle means 10. 2 bundle means 20. So 2 tens. Yes. And here 1 ones, 2 ones. So 2 ones. So this 2 and 2 we have to write here. 2 ones. Sorry, 2 tens. 2 ones. So 2 to 22. Now next in 1 bundle how many? 10. second bundle 10 and this 10. So 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens. Yes, and this here ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones. So 4 ones. So 3 tens, 4 ones. So 3 4, 34. Next, 1 bundle, 2 bundle, 3 bundle, 4 bundle. 4 bundle means 4 tens. Yes, 4 tens means 4 0 40 it comes. 4 tens, and here see 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. So here 6 ones. So here 4 tens, 6 ones. 4 6, 46. So here total beads are 46. Here total beads are 22. Like this. Now see. Here only 1 10 is there. See, when we say only more than 1 bundle, we have to say tens. But if there is only 1 bundle, we have to say TEN 10. 1 10. Okay. 1 10 means 1 bundle. And 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. So here 5 ones. So what we have to write? 1 10, 5 ones. 1 5, 15. Okay. Now I will wait for a minute just to complete it. Open the next page. Just now we saw the bundles and ones. Bundles means that is tens, and the numbers that is ones. 1 2 3 4, and we wrote. Now here we have to see the numbers and we have to divide them in tens and ones. So first look, see here. Look at the number. Look at the number means we have to see this number and write the correct number of tens and ones. Okay, tens and ones. See here the numbers 5 3 53 is there. 5 3 53. Every time this first number known as tens means T, and there is another side number is known as ones, that is O. Yes, so every time you have to remember this is the first number tens and the second number that is ones. Okay, so see, first tens means 5 and 3 means ones. Okay, there was 5 bundles and 3 ones. So 5 tens and 3 ones. Now here 2 tens, 2 tens and 1 ones. 2 1 21. Means how we have came to know that 2 and 1, because there is a 2 on tens place and 1 on ones place. Okay. Now this tens, ones means 4 bundles. 4 tens, 9 ones means 49. Yes. 7 to 72. 7 means tens and 1 here 2 means ones. So here 7 tens, 2 ones. Got it everybody? You have to remember this. Yes. Tens means it comes in bundles and ones means it comes in single. Okay. 8 6 86. 8 tens, 6 ones. Next 5 0 50. 5 tens, 5 bundles means 5 tens and nothing is there, so 0 ones. 5 0 50. Next is 10. Yes. Now see, 1 0 10 means 1 bundle. Yes, like this. And here 0, nothing is there, so 0. 1 0 ones. Sorry, tens. In this way we have completed our this tens and ones. We will wait for a minute and after that everybody will open your maths workbook. So have you opened your maths workbook? Yes. In that open page number 4545 and write HW homework. We have just seen how to write, count and make the bundle and write the tens, how many bundles are there that we have to count and write in tens place, and the remaining number which we can't make a bundle, that numbers we have to count and write in ones. Okay. So today we have learned tens and ones, but when we make one bundle of 10, it's known as 110. But when we make a bundle of 2, means that is 2 tens. But for when we say for 1, we have to say 110. Okay. You practice at home with taking the different things, pencil, eraser. You will know how the bundle we have to make, and ones means tens and ones. Okay. Thank you.